In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban a member in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each option means so you can enforce your community guidelines with confidence. Before we start, make sure you have the right permissions in your Skool community, typically an owner, admin, or moderator role, so the ban option will be available to you. First, open your browser and search for Skool. Click the official Skool site in the results. If you manage multiple communities or you log in often, it can be helpful to bookmark the site for quick access later. Double-check you're on the genuine Skool domain before signing in to protect your account and your community. Now, log in with your credentials. After signing in, you should land directly inside your community. If your account is associated with more than one group, make sure you're viewing the correct one before making any membership changes. This helps avoid mistakes and ensures you're taking action in the right place. Next, look to the top navigation bar in your community and click the Members tab. This is where you can see everyone who's part of your group. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the list. Depending on the size of your community, you may want to use search or scroll carefully to find the right person. Once you've located the member, find the small gear icon labeled Membership next to their name. That's your control center for actions related to that member. You can also reach this same menu by clicking into the member's profile and selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Verify you've got the correct person before proceeding. In the menu that appears, choose Ban from Group. A confirmation box will pop up to ensure you really want to proceed. Here, you'll see an optional checkbox that lets you remove the last 7 days of that member's posts and comments at the same time. Use this if recent activity violates your guidelines and you want it gone immediately. Keep in mind, this removal is permanent and cannot be undone. When you're certain, click the Ban button to complete the process. The member will be removed right away and will no longer have access to your community. Take a moment to confirm the change in the members list. That's it. Quick, precise, and effective. Thanks for watching, and remember to apply these steps consistently so your community stays safe, respectful, and aligned with your rules.